In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. Hello guys, this is Online Office Teacher, where I help you manage your data and information through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. There are a whole lot of functionalities you can get when you enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. So with the Developer tab, you can write a bit of code using Visual Basic. You can also create a fillable form using the Developer tab, as well as restrict your fillable forms. So that said, let's get started. So to enable the Developer tab, I go over to File, then I choose Options. Then inside the Options dialog box, I click on Customize Ribbon. Then under the Main tab section, I click on Developer. Then I click on OK. And it will appear right here. I click on it, and these are the various icons or commands you find under the Developer tab. There are a whole lot of functionalities you can find under the Developer tab. For example, you can create a restricted fillable forms using content controls and then protect groups. You can also write a bit of code using the Developer tab and many more. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.